Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deonna. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back to another video. So today we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of October. I got them yesterday and I wasn't even going to film this today. That's why I don't have any makeup on or anything, because I've been at work all day, and I decided I was still going to go ahead and film this before I went to sleep today so I can get it up for you guys. So yeah, don't mind how I look a mess, but yeah, we're going to be doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy. If you don't know, I get 2 Ipsy bags a month. Ipsy's a $10 monthly beauty and makeup subscription that you can sign up for. They customize them to your personal profile, and they have you do like a quiz, and they pretty much curate you 5 to 6 items. Sometimes you get full-size products, sometimes it's just samples. And yeah, I love Ipsy. I think it's just fun to try out for $10. I get 2. One is like my just true profile box, and then I also get a skincare bag. So the first one, yeah, the first one I'm gonna open is just my regular bag, and this is how the bag looks this month. It's just a red, like leatherish looking bag, and it has this little masquerade. So the first thing I have is this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. They gave this out as a sample in BoxyCharm like the month before I tried it out, and when I was like watching a lot of videos, and a lot of people are really excited to get this because they said it's like a really good moisturizer. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Okay, next I have a brush. This is an Inmo Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. This is how the brush looks. It looks like a cute brush. And the next thing I have is this incredible You Glow Girl. I'm assuming this is a highlighter. It's an incandescent jelly, supposed to give you a glow. I don't know where you put it at, where you're supposed to put it. That's how it looks, and then if you apply it to the skin, this is how it looks. The next thing, ooh, I'm actually really excited about this, and I was just about to talk shit about the bag because I'm like, I don't know how I'm feeling so far, but I was really hoping that I got this, and it's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is a contour concealer, and this is in the shade Deep, and I was so like excited that they were even giving these out, and I'm so excited that I have this to try as well. I really have been wanting to try this concealer, so I didn't know if I was going to get it or not. So that's going to be a nice highlighting shade for me. So I cannot wait to try this out. I've been really wanting to try this concealer for a while. And it's actually a decent little size. So yeah, that just won me over for this month. And the last thing I have is this Sundays. It just says Sundays. So let me just open it. It's a nail polish. So this is the Sundays number 18. It's cruelty-free, non-toxic, and it's a really nice shade. This is like right up my alley for fall. That was what I got in my first bag. I'm really happy about that Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and the Boom Boom Cream. Everything else is just okay. Honestly, that Tarte concealer just won me over for that bag. Wow, look at this. Okay, this is gonna be my skincare bag. So it's the same exact bag. They don't do variations on the bag. Same card. I see some repeats. So the first thing I have is another Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep, which I'm kind of happy about, because if I like this, then I'll end up having, I'll have 2 of these sizes in here. So I also got another one of those incandescent jellies, and I did get another one of those Sunday nail polishes. So these are both going to be going in the giveaway box that I have going. So the next thing I have is this Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. This is a really decent size cleanser, and I've tried one of the Murad cleansers before and I really liked it. It's more of an exfoliating cleanser, so I'm excited to try this one out, and it's a decent size, you know. So yeah, that was a good one for my skincare. And then the last thing I have is this Nomad Stockholm, what is this? It is a high pigment intense eyeshadow. I don't know what is going on with this profile. It looks in the pan, and then for the swatch, that's how that looks. Nice little shade to have in my collection. I don't really know about the profile this time. I think that my skincare profile was definitely way off, because I only have 1 skincare item, and usually they're really good on the skincare bag. They usually give me at least like 3 skincare products, so I'm definitely gonna have to review these products negatively so that I can get more like skincare focused items. So I'm surprised they sent me the eyeshadow and the concealer and this jelly and the nail polish, but yeah, I am happy about the cleanser. That's like the only thing I'm happy about in there, as well as the concealer, because I am happy about that, so I'm not going to complain. All right, guys, so that is everything that I received in my Ipsy bags for this month. If you guys received Ipsy, let me know in the comments down below what you got or what you think is the most exciting thing that I got in my bag. I do usually like to tell you guys which one I think won, and I definitely would have to say that my personal bag won, simply because my skincare profile really didn't match my profile. Like I said, on that profile, I like to mainly receive skincare items, and I only got one skincare item. Plus, I had a couple of repeats. I did like the concealer, but I like that to be more skincare based. So I have to say that my personal beauty profile did win. That's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.